Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add blocks in Odoo Website Builder. This is a key skill for anyone looking to create professional, visually appealing pages quickly, without needing to write code. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to use blocks effectively to structure your pages and make your website more engaging for visitors. We'll start by going to the Odoo website. Once the page loads, look to the top area of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where you can access account-related options and move into the correct database before editing your website. Think of this step as making sure you're in the right workspace, especially important if you manage multiple websites or client accounts in Odoo. After opening that menu, click on My Databases. This takes you to the section where your available Odoo databases are listed. If you manage more than one database, make sure you choose the one connected to the website you want to edit, so you're making changes in the right place. Selecting the correct database ensures that all your updates appear on the intended website and prevents any accidental changes to other projects. Next, click on Connect for the database you want to open. Odoo will then take you into that environment where you can access the website builder and begin making visual changes to your site. This environment is like your design playground, where you can experiment with layout, visuals, and content without affecting live traffic until you save your changes. Once you're inside the website, click on Edit. This switches the page from normal viewing mode into editing mode. When you do this, Odoo opens the website builder tools so you can customize the layout and add new sections directly onto the page. This mode gives you a hands-on, drag-and-drop experience to design your pages exactly how you want them. Now click on Blocks. This is one of the most important parts of the website builder, because blocks are the pre-designed content sections you can add to your page. They help you build a website quickly without needing to code everything manually. Using blocks also keeps your design consistent across the site, ensuring that headers, text sections, and image layouts maintain a professional look. From here, simply drag and drop any block onto the website. As you move a block around the page, Odoo will usually show placement areas so you can decide exactly where that section should go. Take your time with this part, because where you place the block affects the flow and structure of the page. For example, placing a testimonial block near the bottom of a landing page can reinforce trust after users read your main content. You'll notice that Odoo gives you several different block categories to choose from. These include Intro, Content, Images, People, Text, Contact and Forms, Social, and Catalog. Each category is designed for a different purpose, so choosing the right type helps you build pages that are functional and visually appealing. For example, intro blocks are useful for headers or hero sections that immediately grab attention. Content blocks help organize information in a readable way. Image blocks make pages more visual and engaging. Contact and Forms blocks are helpful when you want visitors to reach out or submit information, such as signing up for newsletters or requesting a quote. Social blocks can connect visitors to your online presence, and catalog blocks are useful for showcasing products or offerings, making it easier for customers to explore your services or inventory. Once you've added the block you want and placed it where it belongs, click on Save. This confirms your changes and updates the website with the new section you added. Saving regularly is essential, especially if you're making multiple changes, to ensure no work is lost and your updates appear on the live site as intended. And that's it. That's how to add blocks in Odoo Website Builder. If you're building out a page, it's a good idea to save regularly after making changes, so you don't lose your progress. With practice, adding blocks will become second nature, letting you build complex, professional websites quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.